What's up, frigates? In this video, we handline launch our MacGregor 26X. Now, I'm not showing you this video because we think we invented it like it's something new. No, handline launching your boat has probably been done since the very first boat. But for those of you who are new to boating, a lot of you probably it's your very first boat, your very first MacGregor 26X. And if you have a 26X, you probably know how difficult they are to actually control in the water. They do not control well. So we were at Gilbert's resort and the launch area is fairly small. It's surrounded by mangroves. We did not want to end the trip before it even got started. So we decided to do the safe thing and just handline launch it with some ropes. So here we go. We have our whole Florida series coming at you next. Starting Key Largo, sail it down to Marathon and back, stop at all kinds of restaurants, anchorages, all that fun stuff. We're going to share all of our favorites with you along the way, trip details and whatnot.
I think you got it under control. Valerie, why don't you just get in the boat and make sure it doesn't get away. You might need to use the hook or something. I'm gonna go ahead and get the truck out of the way.
Thanks for watching. Frig it out.